guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gloria Okings. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup. You guys seem to like my previous makeup video, I guess, so, and you guys requested for more, and I'm attempting to try a new method of makeup. So I decided, you know what, let me show it to you guys, or let me show you guys while I try out these things. I've never changed my makeup routine. I only make it better, but this time around I think I'm changing a few things. So we're just going to start with the video rather than me blabbing too much. Okay, so my skin seems to be acting right. We thank the Lord. I don't know, but it's acting right. So let's just go with the flow. Okay guys, I'm a cruise. I'm going to start with my eyebrows because when I prime my face before my eyebrows, I always draw rubbish. So I'm just going to start with my eyebrows. And as usual, I usually brush my eyebrows upwards. I don't know how people get the perfect brows, but oh well. So guys, I'm short-sighted, that's why I keep looking down. I cannot look at the camera and draw. As usual, I always outline my brows. Basically just draw a line with the brows, like very light line, not else your brows will be looking like brick on your eyes. So just draw light lines, like tap it. Don't draw like one straight line, like make taps like you see me doing. This is the outline of this brow. That's what it looks like. I feel like my left brows are always way better than my right. So now I'm just going to fill it up. So to fill it up, I like to dab it, not dab it, like tap it into, not draw like straight lines or anything. Just tap the brush just so it imitates the eyebrows. Oh, it looks full, it looks full. I overdid myself, definitely. Hopefully it looks better by the time I conceal it, because this eyebrows, oh, you see, this eyebrows always comes out nice, and this one just comes out like I'm going to fight, or I'm the leader of eyebrows. I don't even understand. So now I'm going to conceal, and as usual, to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm also going to use the Pro Filter, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the color 420. I'm one of those people that have the same type of foundation and makeup for most of my looks. I don't have like a variety of makeup sets because first off, I have things to do with money, and secondly, if the one I'm using is not giving me problems, then I'm good. Maybe in summer I buy a new one, and then in winter I buy a different one. That's how it works for me. So now I'm just going to conceal the under of my eyebrows, or underneath my brows. Oof, this eyebrows is fat, but we move. It seems like this brow is okay before I ruin it more, so I think this is okay. I'm trying to put in more effort into my makeup these days because usually I just come do my thing and keep going. Can you see the difference between these two brows? Like I reduced this one from the top. This is my eyebrows. Now I'm going to spray my face with this NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh Spray. This is what I love to use. This is what I've always used, and I really feel like it works for me. So just try to find products that work for you and you're good to go. Okay, so the new method of makeup I found is you apply your contour before you apply your foundation. I don't know if this will work. I don't know how it works. So I'm just going to use my Floma BB cream powder. I don't know what color it says. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to use that on my contour area. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender and contour my face like I would usually contour. I don't know if this will make any difference anyways. I really don't know what this process does or how it helps, because I'm still going to use the foundation to cover it up anyways. but we're just going to, you know, try something new because I've used the same way I contour my face for years, or the same makeup steps for years. So let me just try something new. Now that I'm done with the contour, I'm going to go in with my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using is obviously my Fenty Beauty. I feel like this Fenty Beauty is the only foundation that has actually matched my skin, like matched my skin, because most foundation I've used so far, I either have to mix them with something, or I have to, you know, add something to them. So guys, can you see this glow? I don't know, is it the camera that is deceiving me, or I'm seeing this glow, or you guys are also seeing this glow as well? Anyways, when I'm done with that, I'm going to take my beauty blender just to get the corners I didn't get, and also to smoothing everything out. So I'm going to be using this part because the girl I was watching used this part of the beauty blender. So yeah, like this eyebrow concealer place, and then I'm just going to tap that in. I don't know if you guys are seeing it or my eyes are deceiving me, but I know I'm looking flawless. I know my mind is showing me that I'm looking flawless, but oh well, we move. Yeah. Can you talk to me anyhow like this? No, you cannot. You cannot even try to talk to me anyhow at this point. Okay, I feel like this Fenty Beauty foundation is the best so far. It's lightweight, it's not too thick, it's just gorgeous. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is my concealer. And another trick I found with the concealer is you do not bring it down to your face. That makes your face round, according to what she said. So me, I'm just you know, following, being a student, I'm following. So yeah, I'm just going to apply the concealer on my lower eyes and the sides, and then I'm going to blend that in, and also blend my nose as well. I don't know if I should do this one here. Let me try it for the first time. I usually do not do this type, but now I'm going to blend it out. So I like to blend my highlighter or my concealer underneath my eyes very well, because I don't get why people like the bright under eye concealer. I don't know. I love how this concealer has blended into my skin. Like, can you guys see this? Did it blend? Do you guys think it blended? Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take this spray and spray it around my face so it sets the foundation and the concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set my face with that. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to apply so much. Ooh, I'm making a mess here. I'm going to try to apply as little as possible, because let me just let this dry up a bit. I'm someone who always likes to have neutral makeup. I don't like loud out there makeup. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't like makeup that's just boom in your face. Like, bro, calm down. Like, nobody's fighting with you. Okay, so yes, now I'm going to tap it a bit, like a very tiny bit, and then start applying around the same place I applied the concealer. I'm going to just like press it in very well. Like, continue to press it in so you don't have to brush it out. I don't know if that makes sense. You've highlighted your face, but you're not brushing it out. Highlight my nose as well. I don't know how they do that nose contour thing, but we're going to try it today. Like, you know when they make it like their whole nose disappears. I don't know how people do that stuff, but we'll move. I'm also going to apply underneath my chin. Let me know what you guys think about this new makeup method, because I actually kind of like it. So yeah, that's very weird because I like it. It's something different that I actually like, which is weird, but Oh well, we're going to go into the contour right now. I'm currently contouring my face with this MAC Studio Fix NW58 powder. That's what I always use to contour my face. I've done this part. Now it's time for my eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow I feel like doing is just a simple orange eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with this Juvia's Place, the Nubian by Juvia's, and I'm going to use this orange eyeshadow, this one. And then I'm going to also, I'm trying to create an orange look, like just a very simple orange look. I think I'm going to use this as my transition color, this one, from the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Blend that into my eyes. Why I'm applying this is just so it shows the color, like the orange color shows. I don't know if that makes sense. But this color is what I'm going to. So I'm just going to tap 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 tap. So I basically want to sort of build a color. I don't know if that makes sense. Honestly guys, I'm just chatting shit. I'm chatting rubbish. However it comes out, that's how I manage it. Whenever I feel like, oh, I want to do an eyeshadow look, it doesn't work out. It does not work out. So I'm just going to tap. Okay, so I'm going to take this small brush and I'm going to use the same transition color I used, and I'm going to try to blend it in and then make the top subtle and blend it. Yeah. No. Okay, now I'm just blending. So now I'm just using this small brush to blend the eyeshadow, like take it up a bit, like not so it's not too thick on top. I don't know if I'm making sense, but you guys should just see what I'm doing. I'm going to tap into the Morocco. So I'm also tapping the brush. I'm also tapping the brush into the Morocco color. So yeah, oh, it's not so bad. Like it made it look less boom into your face. So I'm just going to blend that out properly. I'm going to take a really tiny brush and try to do this underneath my eye. Let's see. What I'm going to do next is obviously line my eyes and then apply my lashes. So I think that's what I'm just going to do now. So yes, now I've applied my lashes. As usual, the lashes I used are Lashes by Me. I think this is Marda. I think is the style of lashes I'm using. The previous one I used, I can't really remember the name. So now I'm going to apply my lip liner. So the lip liner I'm going to be applying is this Flomar, and this is the Flomar. I'm going to be attempting to use 2 lip liners. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to obviously use this lip liner, the Flomar Dark Chestnut in 106, and I'm going to use this number 204. 5. I want to see what it does. So I'm just going to use that over, but not over like, oh sorry. I don't know if I should use the colored lip gloss. Let me try to use this lip gloss from Golden Rose. There's no color, but this is the color of the lip gloss. I don't know how this would come out. Let's see. So I don't know how I feel about this lip gloss. I usually do not like using colored lip gloss. I feel if I'm using lip gloss, it should be over a lipstick or, but I'm not minding this. The highlighter I'm going to be using is this Flormar highlighter that I always use in all of my makeup videos. Yeah, so as usual, I'm going to highlight my tear duct area and my nose, and I don't think I'm going to highlight my cheek. I don't think I'm going to highlight my cheeks. I'm just going to leave it like that. Hi guys, so this is my final result. I just fixed my hair. Well, I didn't do much. I just added a ponytail. Anyway, so yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. Oh, my hair. This is what my face is looking like. This is my final look. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you think I should do more makeup looks? I really love this pattern I did. I think I'm going to continue doing that. But anyways, yeah, so I've come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, as usual, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.